Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Haircare Jury, what y'all think? Are we looking festive? Oh, nah. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another alphabet series video. We are on the letter F, and F is for the main choices of 4-leaf clover. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get the elephants out of the room. By the time this video uploads, I will have been off of YouTube for close to probably like 3 weeks. Y'all, why? Life. Okay, enough said on that. And yes, I use products to get this hairstyle that were not meant for my hair type. Just like I don't follow the curly girl method, I also don't follow the labels on the products. So I did use the main choices 4-leaf clover line. I have 4 products before me. The first product that I used was the main choice hair type 4-leaf clover manageability and softening remedy shampoo. It has clove oil, flaxseed oil, aloe vera. We're gonna get right to it. I ain't like it. I felt like I was washing my hair with air. This shampoo is not necessarily watery runny, but it is a lighter shampoo. Honestly, I expected all of these products to be thicker than what they were. I don't normally wash my hair twice. I normally wash my hair once and then keep it moving. But for this product, not only did I feel like I had to wash my hair twice, because there's been some other shampoos where I'm like, man, I could just go ahead and do this again, but I don't. This one, I felt like I had to shampoo my hair twice. So I shampooed my hair once. I did shampoo it twice. And the second time didn't really do any better than the first time. My hair did feel clean, but it felt like I was cleansing my hair with air bubbles, like nothing was happening. This smells, I don't know, like a fruity buttery scent. It smells kind of fruity and faint buttery. I don't know, y'all. I just finished eating some movie theater popcorn, so that could be it. When I shampooed my hair and I rinsed out that second lather, my hair just didn't feel right. And my intentions was to go straight in from shampoo to deep conditioner. I was going to use the rinse out conditioner as like a leave-in and then use the styling product. But because my hair felt so it felt clean, it didn't necessarily feel stripped, but it felt like nothing happened, y'all. I'm trying to think of like, anyway, because I didn't like the way my hair felt when I rinsed out the shampoo, I went ahead and used the rinse out conditioner. Just like the shampoo, this has clove oil, flaxseed oil, and aloe vera. It has about the same scent, but the scent is more pronounced in the conditioner than it is in the shampoo. As you can see, it has like a much thicker consistency. And y'all, I've had to put in my She-Ra strength. I don't want to pour it out because you know I ain't wasting none. This conditioner, when I rinsed it out, I was like, I'm 0 for 2. Let's go on to the hair mask. The third product I used was the hair mask, and it just says mask. It does have some thickness to it, but if I tilt the jar, it'll move slowly. I have this much left. I only used this once. It has the same smell as the conditioner, so just a little bit stronger scent than the shampoo, but none of this is overpowering. None of these scents lingered. after I rinse the products out. I left this in my hair with the shower cap on while I still was in the shower. So I'm gonna say probably like 10 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. I can't say that I would repurchase this product either, but if I had to pick one of the three so far, it would be the hair mask. And that might just be because deep conditioning is my favorite step in my hair wash day. Still wasn't wild, so let's move on to the styler. I'm 0 for 3. I'm not really liking these products, and I'm like, well, the styler has got to come through, please. I'm looking for moisture. I'm looking for no flakes. I'm looking for some level of hold. And I'm just looking for a +1. I'm looking for one. So I used the moisturizing styling cream. Now it says moisturizing. It says moisturizing. This smells more like the shampoo than the conditioner and the hair mask. But something was a little bit different about it. The scent didn't linger, and that's a good thing. It didn't smell bad. It just, I don't know, something smelled different about it. The consistency of the styling cream is kind of loose, lotiony like. If I tilt it too much, it will come out the jar, and we don't want to do that. So I didn't have a leave-in. I didn't use the rinse out conditioner as a leave-in. So on freshly rinsed hair from the deep conditioner, I went straight in with the styling cream. The style that I chose was plaits. I did 10 plaits, and I used my flexi rods. I used 10 of these. My intention first was just to roll up the ends, but it kept unrolling and falling down, so I rolled it up like almost to the top. The top section of my hair, especially these two in the front, I rolled them like very, very tight because I didn't want them to be drooping down and hanging, and then, you know, the rest of my hair really be curled. I let my hair air dry completely for 2 nights, and this is the 3rd evening. And all I did was I took the flexi rods out one by one. I used some of my DIY Ayurvedic oil, and I put on my fingers to undo each plait. Then I carefully separated them, and I did a little bit of fluffing. For my edges, I used the Eden Body Works Natural Curling Jelly from the Coconut Shea line. This is very light, so if you are sitting by the pool and you're not getting in, you're not going to be running around the pool, nothing like that, then go ahead and use that curling jelly for your edges. Now, if you're taking a boat ride, your edges will be going with the wind fabulous. So don't use the curling jelly if you're going to be moving your head. If you're just going to be like this, use this curling jelly. If you're going to be like this, probably don't use this curling jelly. To me, this is better for my edges than it would be for like a particular style, unless I used it with something else. So now let me show you the hairstyle. I like the way that it came out. None of my ends are flat. All of them are curly. I do have a little frizz, but that was me between rushing to take it down, especially when I got towards the top, and then shaking my head to kind of like separate and fluff a little bit. I didn't use a pick. I just shook my head and I used my fingers just like this to kind of separate. I was trying to cover this part that I have in the back of my head. I don't know how well I did. Once I got to the top, I did not separate them as much as I did the plaits underneath. It makes it look fuller, you know, at the bottoms, but then more kind of like organized and defined at the top, until I started shaking my head like I lost my mind. And then that kind of messed that up. Y'all, I got the hairs on my lip from when I shook my head. But you know what? I like this. I like the style. I think it's cute. See my little swoops. But like I said, y'all, it's they already starting to leave me. Did I get on the boat ride and not tell y'all? And then here you see on this side, you know, not too much, not too fancy, but the style itself, the Flexi Rides definitely did their job, giving me that curl, giving me that bounce, you know, giving me a little spring. I definitely like that, and I like the fact that my ends, well, you can't trust my hair because as soon as I start saying something good, then it embarrasses me. But I have shake, I have bounce. It feels very light and slightly fluffy, but I do also have definition, which I really like. This would last me several days if I played like I was gonna preserve it, but y'all, it's gonna be under this right here as soon as I finish recording this video. Final thoughts on the main choices for Leaf Clover line. The shampoo, no. It really just felt like I was washing my hair with air. I probably could have washed my hair 3 times or 4 times. It didn't feel like it was doing anything, yet it did cleanse my hair. But that's not a feeling that I'm going for with the shampoo, so I won't repurchase that. The conditioner, no. When I rinsed it out, my hair felt dry, like the conditioner took the moisture out with it. I didn't like that feeling, and in combination with how my hair felt with the shampoo, I wouldn't repurchase the conditioner. The hair mask, no. The hair mask did bring some moisture back to my hair. I definitely have to give it that. It did bring back the moisture, but not enough. Even with putting a shower cap on my head in the shower for about 5 to 10 minutes when I rinsed it out, it felt like it should have felt when I rinsed out the rinse out conditioner. So would I repurchase the hair mask? No. And then finally, the moisturizing styling cream. Would I repurchase this? You know what? I don't know. I have a good ways to go of using this before I determine whether or not I'll repurchase it. Now that I have tried and reviewed all 4 products, remember this is my first time trying it, brand new to me, first impressions, demo and review. Would I repurchase this line as a whole? Absolutely not. When I tried the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner, if I had to pick one of those, it's definitely the deep conditioner. Out of the 4, if I had to choose one, I'm undecided because the styling cream, I mean, look, and this is with no leave-in, so there's nothing else in my hair. It's only the styling cream. And I really like it. I have some hold. It's a softer hold the more that I separated the curls, and it's a medium hold in those sections where I separated less. But I like the movement. I like the definition where I kept it. And I mean, I like the way this looks. And plus, y'all, I think this looks festive. I think I could, you know, with the right outfit and a little accessories and earrings and makeup, of which I know hardly anything about, but you know what I'm saying? This to me, this is like a festive style, and I would rock this to a festivity, of which I am not going to any because, yep, pandemic. Ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for today's video. A lot of people have been asking me since like October about Black Friday and what I'm getting for Black Friday. I did not buy one hair product. Not one. So my original no buy started January, let's say the middle of January of 2020. And I still have not purchased a hair product. I'm proud of myself, y'all. I am. It's some stuff that I wanted to buy. It's some stuff that I was looking at. But y'all, for real, honestly, even for play, I can't. So look forward to me demoing and reviewing products from this year, last year, the year before. But check it out, y'all, because I'm rocking with them oldies. And hopefully some of them is goodies. So no, I did not buy any hair products for Black Friday. Y'all, but your girl hooked up that skincare. Stay tuned for the unboxing in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching today's video. As you continue to enjoy my content, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.